How to actually get sad filter and use it on TikTok. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimo from App Guide, and in today's guide video I'm about to simply show you how you can use the sad face filter on TikTok. But before we get started with this video, if you are new to our channel, make sure to leave a like and subscribe, and without any further ado, let us get started with today's video. So first of all, what we can do is, let's say that I actually open my TikTok account right over here, and then I tap on the plus button. But even if I tap on the effects or the filters, we actually don't have the crying filter or the sad face filter on TikTok itself. So by default, we don't have such type of filter or effects. So in order to actually use a sad face filter on TikTok, we would have to download another application and use it, which is called Snapchat. So go ahead and download Snapchat. We will do this with the help of a Snapchat. Now after you open Snapchat, in order to use a sad filter, you can tap on this emoji icon. Now here you can simply search for the crying or the sad face filter. If you don't find it, what you can do is from the bottom right, tap on this explore button. As you tap on this explore button right over here, what you can do is in the search box, you can simply type in crying filter or the sad face filter right over here. Now there's a bunch of many options, but you can choose the one which you think is good for you. You can simply tap on that effect right over here and then actually record a certain video. Now you could actually make sure that you want to actually record a particular face. Now after you basically record the face, what you can do is simply actually save this filter right over here. I'm just doing a random video on this for the purpose. I'm going to simply save this video to my phone. Once I actually save it, I'm going to open TikTok and then basically post this video. Now I'm going to simply tap on this plus button, which is at the bottom of the screen. Once I tap on the plus button, I'm going to go ahead and tap on the upload button at the bottom right. After I tap on upload, I'm going to simply select the video which you actually just recorded from Snapchat, and then I'm going to tap on next, and then this filter will be applied to our TikTok video. This is the way to use a sad face filter on TikTok. You would actually have to use Snapchat to do that. We hope this video was really helpful, and if it did help you, do make sure to leave a like and hit that subscribe button. And if you've got any more questions, queries or doubts regarding this, simply make sure to also leave them down in the comment section. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in our next video.